Hi friends, today we are going to try restaurant style chicken chukka.
It's a little bit dry type chicken recipe. We can serve this along with rice or porotta. This chicken dish will give you a unique taste. It's a simple recipe. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 500 gram chicken, add 2 teaspoon curd, a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Heat 2 tablespoon oil. Take 2 sliced onions. Fry it on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Fry until onion turns to brown in color. Keep aside to cool. In a grinder, crush the fried onions. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, heat 3 tablespoon oil. Add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add 2 green chillies. Add 6 to 8 curry leaves. Cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. Add 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder. Half teaspoon Garam Masala powder. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. It turns aromatic. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes, half teaspoon salt, mix it well. Close the lid, cook on low flame for 7 to 8 minutes. Now add the chicken pieces. Mix it well. Close the lid. Cook on medium flame for 12 to 15 minutes. Now we can add crushed fried onions. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Stir well. Add half teaspoon fennel powder, half teaspoon pepper, cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, add 6 to 8 curry leaves. Switch off the flame. Our restaurant style chicken chukka is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.